This NuMax Pneumatic 3-in-1 15.5-gauge and 16-gauge flooring stapler and nailer are designed for the installation of tongue and groove hardwood flooring. This air-powered flooring nail gun and stapler is compatible with 16-gauge T-cleats and L-cleats and 15.5-gauge 1/2 inches crown staples from 1/2 inches to 2 inches for all three types of fasteners. Two interchangeable NuMax base plates allow you to install 1/2 inches to 3/4 inches flooring while protecting finished flooring surfaces, ensuring professional results for DIYers tackling home improvement and repair projects as well as construction contractors at the job site. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Durably constructed of die-cast aluminum and heat-treated steel parts. This tool is both rugged and lightweight. The ergonomically designed handle has a rubber grip, providing for additional ease of use during long shifts. Recent upgrades include a smaller tool body, a semi-quick release for easier access to the drive blade to clear jams, a magazine cover for smooth fastener feeding, and an improved base plate design. The value provided by the revolutionary design of this innovative tool comes at far less expense than three separate tools. The Pneumatic 3-in-1 15.5-gauge and 16-gauge flooring stapler and nailer include a long-reach fiberglass mallet with a padded grip, air tool oil, and adjustment tools. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Easy to use. This tool by NuMax can be used in various applications around the home such as upholstery, insulation, screen repair, woodworking projects, fencing, and repairs. This tool is also extremely safe to be used as it comes in a die-cast aluminum body and a quick release for clearing jams. Number 2. Nailed it. This pneumatic flooring nailer and stapler features a lightweight aluminum body, ergonomic comfort grip handle, replaceable base plate, and 3-in-1 design that allows it to easily switch between T-cleats, L-cleats, and staples for maximum functionality. Number 3. Ergonomic design. This flooring nailer has an extended handle to prevent achy backs and a light strike bumper for low-impact fastener driving. It comes with a long-reach fiberglass mallet with a padded grip to move flooring in place. It's ideal for professional jobs and home's DIY projects. Number 4. The right tool for the job. We're committed to providing outstanding value, top-tier customer service, and long-lasting, high-quality products. We make nailers and staplers for every purpose, from roofing to siding to flooring and everything in between. Number 5. Quality and durability. We manufacture tools with the most durable materials under strict quality control guidelines, suitable for professional contractors and do-it-yourselfers alike. Our tools are sold, distributed, serviced, and warrantied in the USA. Number 6. Tough and dependable. We make an array of durable construction tools and accessories, including staplers and nailers for siding, flooring, framing, finish, and roofing. Compare our products to similar items by Makita, Hitachi, Bostitch, Senko, Passload, and Dualt, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.